Alright guys, I'm going to give you guys a brief overview of what cellular respiration is because this is one of those concepts that students always have a difficult time with. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria. Remember from a few weeks ago, the mitochondria has a sole job of producing energy from the cell. Now, from the past few days, you guys should remember that when we say energy, we're talking about adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Now, ATP is very important because without energy, your cells and actually you as an organism wouldn't function. Remember, using energy is actually a characteristic that all living things have. So, cellular respiration really only has one job. And I always remember the job as just 3 words. Energy from food. You know that you eat to get energy. This is pretty much why we eat, just on a cellular level. Our food, really meaning glucose, is taken into our cells and broken down to form ATP, and that ATP could be used for getting whatever kind of work done inside the cell. And since all living things need energy, everything that has a mitochondria, therefore meaning all eukaryotic cells, go through this process. Both animal cells and plant cells undergo cell respiration. So just like there was an equation for photosynthesis, there's also an equation for cell respiration. But the good news is you should already know it. Our equation is this. 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen will come together to create 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and a whole lot of energy, or ATP. Now, hopefully you are standing back looking at this equation thinking, this actually sounds a little bit familiar, and the reason is because it should. A few days ago or weeks ago, we talked about photosynthesis. Also, respiration is photosynthesis backwards. In photosynthesis, we have 6. When we talk about the photosynthesis equation, we need 6 carbon dioxide molecules mixing with 6 water molecules, sunlight, and what photosynthesis gives us is 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. So ideally, cell respiration, the concept is new, but the equation really is not.